What you're looking at this morning is a brand new tire and a tire that is past its life expectancy. And I'm going to show you what's called a tread wear indicator. I'm going to do it on the new tire first. So this is a brand new tire, and if you scroll down here, I'm going to look real quick and show you. See this little lump at the bottom of the tire? That is what's called a tread wear indicator. So it's at the bottom of the tread. When this tread wears down and actually gets to that lump, it's more than time to get a new tire. Well, I'm going to show you on this one how it is completely down to its tread wear indicators. So this tire's been shot for a long time. The other thing I want to show you is, have you ever heard of steel belts coming out of a tire? This tire's got some inner edge wear, so there's something wrong with the alignment on this vehicle, but it's been wearing so badly that it's literally getting down to the cords on the inside of the tire. This person was driving around on this thing, which we call this a may pop. It may pop, it may not, but that thing is shot. They definitely got their money's worth out of that tire.